Yo guys, so I'm back. Currently it's 8:30 approximately. Today've just been a slow morning really. I woke up like an hour and a half ago at 7 I believe. And yeah, I've just been taking chill. It's time to clock in for work. Today I have some editing to do. I'm going to be editing the video coming out Sunday. So today I need to finish it. I have 4 hours. I think I get it done, but yeah, it's going to be hard. So yeah, come along and let's grind. Så blir det för mycket baller. Inte på ett dåligt sätt, på ett bra sätt. På ett sätt som jag menar att fan Lowe vill också. Okay guys, so I know I'm supposed to be working, and I was working. I just went down to grab my water bottle, but I literally just found out. I promise, I'm no psycho. I just found out, but I have a fucking hole in my wall. I have literally no idea how the fuck that happened. I've never seen it before. I promise, like never ever. But yeah, I don't think it's going to need fixing, because yeah, who the fuck cares? But still, now I'm going to do work. I have like 30 minutes left until it turns 12. So yeah, gonna get back to it. But I'm editing. Nasty ass editing. Good job. And the weather's very nice. Sun shining, a bit of clouds. So yeah, maybe not the greatest, but yeah, I'll be right back.
Why you speeding, why you going so fast? Why this lifestyle moving so fast? Yeah, so fast. Whoa, just gotta slow down.
Okay, so while the video is rendering, I want to talk to you guys. The clock is currently 11:45. Yeah, I said I was supposed to edit this whole time. I did finish my video, but I spent a bit of time in meetings, because yeah, I had some meetings to do. I'm currently going over a few rather insignificant, if I can say so, deals in my business. So I had to talk to some legal advisors, or they're not really legal advisors, but there are some people that I trust to give me legal advice. So basically my legal advisors. Yeah, I did that. I had a couple meetings. It went very good. Honestly, better than I expected. Now I'm just going to have lunch. Okay, so it's 12:19 now. I just finished my lunch. I'm sorry for you all Mexicans. Please don't come after me. But I had tacos, but didn't put it in the bread because yeah, it was leftover tacos. I didn't put it in the bread. I ate the bread beside it. I don't know if that's okay, but if you're Mexican, as I said, please don't come after me. Actually, I'm going to show you here, because this is the bread and butter really behind everything that I do. It's my Google Calendar schedule. So basically, I don't know if you can see, like this was just yesterday, all of this. I basically schedule all my days in advance, just so that I know exactly what to do, when to do it, so that I could just sit down behind my desk and fucking get to it, instead of just analysis paralysis and yeah, just think about it. So yeah, even though I don't enjoy editing, I still did edit just because I need it. So then it's just better for me to have a dedicated time to do all my edits. So yeah, the schedule says every day I have lunch 12 to 1. So now I'm just gonna chill for 40 minutes approximately. Probably make myself awesome cup of coffee, because that's literally what I crave and need in like 30 minutes when I'm done to work. So yeah, let's get to it. Okay, so I just scheduled this video coming out. I was actually so locked in.
Oh my god, bro. Oh, hell no, man.
That I forgot that I was recording this video for a second. So sorry for the lack of clips. Now it's 2:05. I'm going to just go over my week basically. So I'm going to evaluate like what has worked, what do I need to improve on, and yeah, just keeping myself accountable and kind of like keeping a journal of like what I'm doing, like what has my business achieved. Like, I kid you not, yesterday I signed a deal, multiple. It can generate me basically 5 figures a year, which is nice. So yeah, I'm super stoked for that. It's very exciting times coming up, man. Like I've told you guys before, my last vlog, I said I'm very excited for everything coming up, and we're having so. Okay, so basically, sorry for that. I got a WhatsApp message that I needed to read, but yeah. So, fuck. Okay, so I said it before. I have a lot of exciting stuff coming up, and they're already starting to take form. Super excited. But the only thing you really need to do is you need to set up a plan for yourself and lock in, because the thing is, like, I wanted to start a company, like a real company, when I was 16. At 16 I wanted to sell AI automations. The problem is here in Sweden, yeah, we have some problems, like you need to get like parents' approval and all that stuff to actually start a real company before you're 18. I couldn't get that for some reasons, like, or I weren't allowed to send in my application, so I just started this YouTube instead. And I kid you guys not, like, the reason I started was to just build like sort of a following, and also get trust, because that's like the most important thing that you have in business, is that you need to have trust. Like, your clients need to trust you that you're going to actually deliver. And I did that by just uploading my work, and not even like the work that I built for a client, because I didn't have any clients at the time. I just uploaded work that I did on my spare time, and I showed them like, this is how you can do it too. Because most of the people that reach out to me, they was like, yeah, I watch, but a lot of people just gatekeep, but you're actually like being authentic, and that's what people like. So you need to step in and have a plan, and you need to lock in. Now I do have clients. I have a lot of connects that have actually come to me from my YouTube, and I bet you all, like, I will have, see here in 2 years, and this is going to be nothing like compared to what I will be having in the future. So it's just a matter of getting a plan and sticking to it, because to me it took like 2 years almost to get my first proper client. Now I've actually only been working with like I've been doing full time for like 2 months, which has been lit, and I've only worked with like proper clients since like the start of this year, which is, I did like a few works here and there like before, but now this year has been lit, and it's like a 2-year progress. So no need to rush, just take your time, but stick to it. So yeah, now I'm going to continue work. I hope that my rant wasn't too brutal to you guys. So yeah, gotta keep on working. Okay, so I was in the middle of cleaning my room, or not in the middle, I'm almost done. But then I thought, like, you guys want to know me, or I want you guys to know me, in the same way that I want to know you guys. So I'm going to be 100% transparent now, and I'm going to show you my actual favorite part of my room. And this part is essentially right when you get into the door, and it's here, this corner here. So at the top we have my very old dog, like he's 20 years old now, but he's not dead, or alive, sorry. I have some Irish cream, it's not actual. This is just water, I just have the bottle because it looks cool. I have some, yeah, what's it called? Yeah, some coffee capsules there. I'm from Starbucks, and I have some shoe cream, and I have another coffee maker and some coffee for this coffee maker. And yeah, this coffee maker is very special since it is like you basically just put it on the stove and it just boils up in here. Cool. And then I have all my, because I don't know if you guys know, but I used to be a big sneakerhead, or I was like 15, so I didn't have cash to splurge on like a pair of Dior Jordan 1s. But yeah, this is my collection now. So loafers and some, yeah, just standard dress shoes. Very nice. And then here we have some Heat. We have a pair of ones. And then I have the off-white Nike Blazers. One of my favorites, by the way. Then coming down, we have my running shoes, a pair of Nikes, just basic. And oh my god, yeah, I have my Yeezy slides there also. Very good, like one of my favorites also. This I have worn like 1 billion times, I guess. Then I have another pair of Blazers, very beat. I do have some fake clogs, a pair of foam runners. These are my actual favorites that I wear every day now. And then downstairs I have like a pair of Air Forces and a pair of Mocha shoes. Oh wait, I almost forgot. Here we have some else. You guys have seen it, probably. I have another pair of J's and a custom pair of Vans that I actually did when I was like in 7th or 8th grade, which was a real long time ago.
Numb to the core, I don't wanna. I'm mad you to the mirror. Yeah, I'm the shit in these niggas ain't.
Okay, it's 6:45 now. I don't know if you can hear all the crows, but yeah, they're annoying my ass. I want to be raw and authentic with you guys, so I don't know, man. It's just life's tough sometimes, you know. Yeah. I think I'm going to do some bits of work, but bro, today's just one of those days, man. I'm uncertain about everything, but yeah, life moves on, I guess. Yeah, I will try to find some light. Okay guys, so I'm actually going to show you right now my sauce that I literally used for the last 10 minutes. Only 10 minutes it took me to do this. So yeah, the thing I did, I planned my whole week exactly how I want it. I'm going to show you how. So here you can see that I have my Google Calendar. It's fall, this is next week. You can see Monday, July 28th. It is here. July 27th now, so this is literally tomorrow. And what did I do? Well, I have built my custom GPT, and I basically just say what I want to do this week, or basically I say what I'm going to do this week that it's not my usual week, because I have just made myself my own GPT in the GPT store, and where I have uploaded a PDF file with a table basically saying like my normal days, and I have like a monk day, and I have a half day, and I have a like basically a free day. And this I have templated, so if I say like Monday I want to do a monk day, but at this time I need to do this, then it basically modifies them all, and I basically just say whatever I'm doing that's out of the ordinary every day, then it just gives me an export. I import it to my Google Calendar, and then we're laughing. Okay, quick update for you all. I posted a new video. It goes live. It went live at 3 as always. Now it's, I'll show you. I don't know if you can see, 3:30. I have half an hour where I'm just going to do my needs, you know. Yeah, make myself a coffee, hopefully get a few shots, not alcohol shots, like photo, video shots, whatever. And then I'm going to have a few meetings, and yeah, just crack on my work today ahead. Okay, so fun fact, in an alternate universe, I am probably a barista. Even though I suck, I'm terrible, I'm ass at making like cappuccino, latte and that stuff, but I love to learn. I promise you all, I'm going to buy a proper like espresso machine with like beans and stuff like that. So I'd love to learn, and in an alternate universe I'm probably a barista.